What's up everyone, this is Burak Erdem. In this channel, I'm talking about LinkedIn marketing. If you are looking for any tutorials about LinkedIn marketing, how to find emails and how to create messaging campaigns by using different softwares, subscribe to my channel. So today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can find email addresses by using scrap.io. So let's dive into it. As you can see, let's check out scrap.io pricing. So if you are a starter, you can buy this package. You can get 1,000 emails per month and 2 users. And if you're looking for 5,000 emails per month and 5 users, you can buy this one. I don't recommend these two ones because you can buy, but I highly recommend you to send at a maximum 200 emails per day. So that means approximately 5,000 emails is enough. But if you have multiple email addresses and you want to go bigger, you can buy these ones too. So let's dive into it. This is one of my clients' account. He's focusing on plumbing. So if you don't know Sales Navigator, it's that tool that you can filter. You can use advanced filter and find ideal clients. And as you can see, you need to pay $100 per month for it. And if you buy one of my services, I can provide two months free trial for Sales Navigator. Keep in mind, just let me know in the comment section, or you can text me on Instagram. I will put the link so you can reach out to me. So once we open Sales Navigator, I will create another episode about Sales Navigator, but here's different filters. As you can see, you can choose location, relationship, and all that stuff. So when I go through my client's account, as you can see, we have 1,000 email credit. So go through Chrome extension and just type here scrap. As you can see, scrap email finder. We will use this one. And you need to come Sales Navigator and click email finder. And click the list that you create before and choose how many page you want to choose. And click save leads with found emails only and click launch. So as you can see, right now Scrap go through the pages automatically. How much email finder you will find is all depends on your industry. Because, for example, plumbers, they don't use email addresses. But for example, if you are looking for software companies or salespeople, you will find bunch of emails. So for this time, as you can see, we expect to find 500 emails because in one page we have 25 people and we choose 20 pages, so that means Scrap will go through 500 profiles. And let's see how many profiles we will get. So as you can see, we found 191 emails, but not all of them valid, or some of them unknown, right? So let's have a look. I will choose. So when I click valid or catch all, That means I can send emails to those people. Or let me click all of them and I will check how many emails valid or catch all, because we found 191 emails, but not all of them not all of them not all of them catch all or verified. So I will go through all of them and show you how many of them verified or catch all. So download as a Excel. Yes, so I will choose I will choose 191 people. First of all, I will put a filter here. And come down to 192 actually, because first one is for name and all that stuff. So I will delete all these emails. So now I can put filter, catch all, and verified. When I click OK, let's check out how many emails do we have. As you can see, 123 emails. So that means we review 500 profiles, but I can send only 24% of the profile is have emails, so I can use those emails on my email marketing. But as I told you, this is example for plumbers. So you can go through, for example, marketing industry, or lawyers, or other businesses. It will be different when you go through other industries. So yeah, and then you can download these emails as a CSV file, and then put those emails into your email marketing campaign. So that's it for now. And if you liked the video, just give me a thumbs up. And if you want me to review other softwares, please let me know in the comment section. And for now, peace.